So Richard Branson is aiming to beat fellow billionaire Jeff Bezos into space by 9 days. So this is what is written on Market Watch, and it says here, Branson's company announced Thursday, that was yesterday, the 1st of July, that its next test flight will be July 11th, and that its founder will be among the first 6 people on board, all company employees. The winged rocket ship will soar from New Mexico, the first carrying a full crew. Virgin Galactic shares currently up about 30%. Okay, so Bezos meanwhile plans to blast into space from West Texas on the 20th of July, the 52nd anniversary of the Apollo 11 moon landing. He'll be on the debut flight on a Blue Origin rocket with people, accompanied by his brother, a female aerospace pioneer, and the winner of a $28 million charity auction. So that's what's going on right now. As late as Wednesday, the 30th of June, Branson declined to say when he would rocket into space because of restrictions placed on him by his publicly traded company, but he stressed he was healthy and fit to fly as soon as his engineers give him the go. He will turn 71 a week after the scheduled launch. Virgin Galactic launches its rocket ship from an aircraft reaching an altitude of roughly 55 miles. Blue Origin launches its New Shepard rocket from the ground, with its capsule soaring to about 66 miles. Both those heights are considered the edge of space. By comparison, SpaceX launches its capsule, both crew and cargo, into orbit around the world. So SpaceX is that of Elon Musk, and then Blue Origin, obviously, that is for Jeff Bezos. So that's what's going on right now. So let's see what's going on live for let's see what's going on right now live for yes, Virgin Galactic. Can see it up 28.22%. This is live right now. This is what's going on right now live. So the stock has just converged with all of its short and intermediate moving averages at the moment. So it's just consolidating right up there at $55.37. That's what's going on right now. And this is the 1 minute model. Momentum is just slightly waning. You can see all the signals for the 1 minute model are bullish. The stock is way ahead of its volume weighted average price based on this 1 minute model. So let's see what's going on the 5 minute model. The 5 minute model, yes, it's reflecting a 54.99, but it is currently at 55.37. So the signals are all very much bullish on this 5 minute model. So let's look at the daily model. The daily model is not reflecting that yet, but it might just do so. Yes, it's doing that. It has just done that now. And good thing of it's currently even trading below its volume weighted average price. You can see that based on this daily model, it's trading below the volume weighted average price. Momentum is strong and bullish. All the signals for this daily model are bullish. So Virgin Galactic will rocket into space 9 days before Blue Origin. So the rivalry has ensued, has started, and probably market participants are very much impressed by that. We can see that they are evidently impressed. You can see that has pushed the stock up 28.27%. So we are seeing volumes increasing there. See, total volume so far, I think in this post-market session we have about 689,348. So the pre-market session will open in about an hour and 30 minutes. So we're still way away. We're still some hours away, an hour and some fraction away from that. So Virgin Galactic up 27.81%. So there's some slight retracement now. That's what's going on right now. Virgin Galactic will skyrocket into space 9 days before Jeff Bezos. So the signal for the trend analysis for the stock is that it has continued. It is in a strong bullish trend, no doubt about that, even though it's retraced recently, but the trend is still very much a bullish one, yeah, still very much a bullish one. And not too long ago, it actually retraced below its 10-day moving average. Let's see whether we can get that figure. Yes, as a matter of fact, that must have been, when was that? Let's see, it may have been recently. It may have been recently that it retraced below that 10-day moving average. Yes, it was just yesterday, as at the close of that session, it was trading below the 10-day moving average, and we can see that now it has since escaped. That is where it pivoted there, and now extending, currently at 55.01 right now. And this, we can call it the pre-market session of the 2nd of July 2021. Virgin Galactic up to 27.14. At some point it was more than 30%. So Richard Branson and some other people will skyrocket into space on the 9th of July, and market participants are impressed by that. So far they have exchanged 712,134 shares in this pre-market / post-market session, and they will as such, Virgin Galactic will get into space 9 days ahead of Blue Origin. Yes, it will do that. They have stolen the march from Blue Origin, and that has caused market participants to get involved. Market participants are involved, are happy about that, especially they have a cult following for sure. They definitely have a cult following, so they must be impressed by all of that. So it's we can see what's going on for the oscillators. Some of these oscillators are not exactly reflecting what's going on right now. We can see that the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator, this is for the daily models, retracing. It's pulling back, not it's waning. Yeah, some of them are. Let's even see what we can make out of that. Okay, yeah, it's waning, but with what's going on now, we are seeing that the interest has suddenly improved again. The interest has come back into the stock. You can see that. We can see it's up 26.16%. This is what's going on live, but this is the daily model. Let's return and see what's going on for the 1 minute model. Yes, it's still stagnant there. Not very much is going on there. Let's return to the 1 minute model here. So let's see what we can make out of the technicals of Virgin Galactic. So let's see. We're trying to plot some extension and retracement levels. So, but this extension we're looking at right now is not up to what we saw sometime that was a few days ago. Yes, a few days ago it reached 56.21. As a matter of fact, it has actually reached 59.72 at some point. That was sometime in February. Yeah, so this is still you can still call that resistance. That's the resistance there. So let's see whether we can see how things have panned out for Virgin Galactic. So it's currently trading, if we take this as the base, the level it reached at, that is the this low it reached, which is 15.44. This was sometime in May. If we use that as the base, we can see that it's currently just trading below its 56.21 level. It's just trading below that. That's, currently seeing some resistance there at the moment, and it pivoted somewhere in between the 46, somewhere between the 46.58 and the 40.63 levels. That's where it got some support. That was where the stock closed at on the 1st of July, and it's now got this push, especially with this news that they announced that it's going to, Virgin Galactic will run its tests and to carry people on board, including Richard Branson. So that has got market participants involved, and it has pushed it up 25.63%. So this is what's going on live right now. This is a daily model live, and it is responding better than the 1 minute model. So Virgin Galactic blasting off into space by the 9th of July 2021, by the 11th, I think, 11th of July, and it will, the spaceship will, or the spacecraft will carry Richard Branson and indeed some other people. So that's deemed some positive. That's a positive news so far. So we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.